Welcome! Today I'll show you how to lock SIM card with SIM pin into your Samsung Galaxy M01 core. First step, go into settings, then choose lock screen and security option, then need to go into other security settings, and on the top we got this option, set up SIM card lock, so press it, and here need to turn on lock SIM card option. Then enter SIM pin and click OK. And that's it. Now we lock our SIM card with SIM pin. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.